Well, I've been studying at NPC for over 2 years now, and I started in 2020. And the main reason I remember that is because as long as the pandemic has started, I've been here, and yeah, I've been there ever since.
为什么选择建筑设计专业？
Personally, I'm going into architecture because I think architecture is pretty exciting to me because it's incredible to see a project just come to fruition at such a big scale. Architecture is a great way to build a community, and every building you construct is a new area for people to construct a new community, a place for people to connect, and I think that's very cool. And architecture is also a good way to serve and give back to a greater community. That is, if you do your job well. And architecture is really rewarding because being able to create designs, be a part of the process of constructing it and seeing design be built in real life is very nice.
在 NPC 学习，你最大的收获是什么？
At NPC, I learned quite a lot. One of the most important things that'll be valuable in my career is probably learning how to use SketchUp, which is a 3D program mainly used for architecture. And SketchUp is usually not the industry standard, but its skills are very transferable to other programs such as Rhino and Revit, which will be really useful. I've also got to relearn a lot of mediums in art that I haven't got to use in a long time at NPC, like digital art, 3D modeling, watercolor, marker, and acrylic. And most importantly, I learned a lot of things that have to do with creativity, knowing how to be stronger in a creative sense, being better at creating abstract pieces, and overall a better understanding of how space works in architecture. So that's mainly what I learned here, and I'm very grateful.
3. 目标院校是哪里？都收到了哪些大学的 offer？
Well, I don't really have a dream school, but getting into Waterloo would be pretty exciting because Waterloo is very prestigious and not a lot of students here at NPC have really applied to it, and I feel like it'd be nice to be one of the first people to get into Waterloo, but I don't want to get my hopes up, so I don't really have an ideal dream school, but I'll take what I can get. As of April 2nd, I've gotten 5 acceptances from universities. One of the first was Pratt, Ryerson, Carleton, RISD in Rhode Island, and U of T, yes. And for scholarships, I've gotten a scholarship from Pratt for $105,000, and also a scholarship from U of T for $1,000. So much. I'm definitely going there. I don't know really how to feel right now in terms of where I want to go, but I feel like it's good to see that I have the potential to get to places, and I feel like that's made me more confident.
4. 给自己制定了哪些目标？
And my dream goals and what I want to do in the future, well, obviously I want to be an architect, so architecture school is very important for that. And hopefully, if I choose a good school, I can get my license right after undergrad, and I can start working in business while slowly working on my master's so I can become a better architect.